The aggressive oxidation on this Gullwing is severe, particularly around the rocker panels and grille. The chassis is completely compromised by the mud. The transcription features a close-up shot of a car's cracked dash.
That corrosion is worse than we thought.
Yeah, look at those seams.
The brass connectors require a precise touch to ensure a perfect connection. Every wire is secure. Restoring a Gullwing requires dedication. Every curve must be perfect, every surface smooth.
We're applying the two-part gray epoxy primer, ensuring complete sealing of the bare metal before the high-build polyester filler.
The first coat of metallic silver going down on the Gullwing. Look at how that VO3 paint just shimmers. This is where the magic happens.
Serenity achieved. The Gullwing's metallic paint sets under the gentle warmth of the curing bay.
The silver paint on this Gullwing is absolutely flawless. The correction results are perfect.
Look at that reflection. Absolutely flawless, Chief. We nailed it.
And secured. Hear that click.
Beautiful. Ready for final inspection.
She runs
Like the day she was built.
The legendary 300SL engine. Notice the precision of the fuel injection, a marvel of its time.
Achieving absolute clarity on this classic Mercedes. The reflections are stunning. Achieving this level of distortion-free clarity requires patience and the right tools. A true mirror finish.
The legendary Gullwing. A timeless masterpiece, ascending once again.
Welcome to the studio reveal of this pristine 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing. A true automotive icon. The flawless curves of this Gullwing. The reflection is absolutely mesmerizing.
There are moments when the journey itself is the destination. The open road, the setting sun, and a machine built for beauty.